Have you ever asked yourself if there are better alternatives to Genesys Cloud for improving customer experience? We get this question a lot. So, we are going to compare some key features between Genesys Cloud and Voximplant Kit. I'm Dasha, and I'll be your guide. In this video, we will compare AI integrations, reliability, no-code tools, as well as pricing offered by Genesys Cloud and Voximplant Kit. Let's start. AI integration is especially useful for customers building voice bots and IVRs. Genesys Cloud offers an AI service based on Nuance with only 21 languages. It has no support for major languages. It also has no options for alternative voices. You can only use a single female voice for each language. This is because Genesys Cloud uses their own technology stack, not third-party engines. In contrast, Voximplant Kit partners with 6 AI providers including Google, Amazon, Microsoft, and IBM. We offer 119 languages and dialects for conversational IVR and over 200 synthesized voices so you can serve a larger audience. If you use Genesys Cloud, you probably experienced service disruptions a few months ago. These are more common because Genesys relies on a single data center provider, Amazon Web Services. Human errors or bugs take Amazon as well as Genesys offline. Voximplant prefers not to put all eggs in one basket. Our multi-cloud environment includes 14 cloud providers, such as Amazon, Google, and DataCamp Limited. If one of our providers fails, customers won't notice. Let's move on to a pricing comparison. As you may know, Genesys Cloud prices starts at $110 per agent seat and goes up from there. I bet you have more than one agent in your contact center. Let's say there are 50 of them. Multiplied by 50, we get $5,500 per month just for agent seats. In contrast, Voximplant Kit charges $45 per agent, so it's 59% cheaper at the cost of $2,250. With Voximplant Kit, you will save $3,250 per month just for agent seats. If you think about that, over 3 years, that's a $117K difference. If you have more than 50 agents, the difference will be even greater. Pretty significant, right? When you're deploying a contact center solution or making changes, you probably want to adjust quickly. Since working with Genesys Cloud always requires your development team or professional services, deployment can take several weeks or months. Voximplant Kit was designed for non-technical people, so you don't need a whole deployment team. A complete Kit's contact center can be operational in about 30 minutes via the self-service portal. And keep in mind, there is no coding required. That's all for this comparison. If you found this video useful, please give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel, check out our documentation, contact us with any questions using the link in the description. Sign up to try it out yourself.